guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a new video to show you how we redone the girls' bedrooms. This is a new kind of video for me, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with you guys in Aubrey's room. Aubrey will be 11 in just a couple weeks, so this is her preteen style bedroom. She is obsessed with blankets like I am, so you can see she has 2 blankets on her bed, and she wanted to go with the gray and pink theme, so I think she did a pretty good job of picking everything out. Her comforter came from Target, as well as the sheets, and then I think I got her that cactus for Christmas, and I don't have any idea where that bears from, but actually, this is her Build-A-Bear. Wow, how did I not remember that? But anyway, this is kind of like an overview of the room. I actually got her furniture from Badcock, and it was pretty affordable, in my opinion. And then she has this mirror right here, which actually used to be mine, but I gave it to her because I had nowhere to put it. And then there's her book bag right there, and she just keeps some stuffed animals and this right here. Moving on to this side of the room, both the girls actually put their dirty clothes in this hamper right here because we wash their clothes together since they're so small. And then this is her dresser with a mirror. She's got a little bag right here. I think there's like nothing in it. I thought she put some makeup in it, but I guess she didn't. But I just think this is so pretty. She needs to wash it off, but I absolutely love it. Here she has just, you know, some necessities, some perfume, some detangler, some makeup brushes, you know, what the average preteen needs. And then over here is her desk. She does have a white Chromebook, and she got that for Christmas. If you watched my What I Got My Kids for Christmas video, you would know that I got both my girls one of these for Christmas. And it looks like she has some horses on her background. Anyway, she made this little spinner thing the other day, which is pretty cool. She's got some stuffed animals over here, some glue, markers, all the works. Her cute mouse pad, I got her that for Christmas too, I believe. And then this was my mouse. She actually dropped hers, or something happened to it. It stopped working, so I just gave her mine because I really didn't ever use it. And then over here, she just has some pictures. Here's me and her when she was a baby. There's her Papa Chuck. And then there is my daddy, which obviously her grandpa, her, and Ansley when Ansley was little. That's so cute. Over on this side of the bed, I'm scared to look. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. She just got 2 little monkey stuffed animals. One of these big pillows, I actually got her that for Christmas too. And then, y'all know what kind of pillows these are. These are so cool. And then she has a basket of socks right here, which I really have no idea why. Maybe she didn't have enough room in here. I'm not really sure. I'll have to ask her that. But those are her new shoes that she got to go with her Halloween costume this year. She's going to be Harley Quinn. It's really, really cute. I posted it on my Instagram stories, so y'all go take a look at that. And back to her desk. I forgot to tell y'all about this. I can't talk. That's pretty cute. Moving over here to this side of the room, she's got some trophies, a scrunchie, a snow globe, which I love snow globes. My mom loves them. So cute. She's got this, which obviously needs to be dusted, the Follow Your Heart, her iPad, and her phone. Who does she think she is? This pop socket. Kids these days. Anyway, and she's got that cute little pen. This is actually a pen right here. And a lamp. And then some cute little slide-on shoes that I love, but I got for her because they did not have my size at the time. So she got lucky on that one. That is her purse. Yes, she carries a purse pretty much everywhere she goes. But that's just her thing. And here is most of the jackets that she wears. She just keeps them hanging right here. And let's see if this closet's a disaster. No, it's not actually. So she just keeps some of her extra clothes in here. Mainly this is going to be summer stuff because summer's over now. And then those are some of her shoes over there. More shoes over there. All of her clothes. I wish my girls had a bigger closet, and then I don't even want to go up there and see what's up there, but there's that. So yep, here we are. This is an overview of a preteen's room. Okay, now we're moving on to Ansley's room, which here's a little overview. Hers is gonna be a little messier. She is 6 years old. But what can I say? Hers is the white theme with some purple mixed in. So first off, we'll start over here at her dresser. She just has a snow globe, just like Aubrey, already ready for Christmas. This is a little jewelry box right here. I'm not sure where it came from. And then she also has the makeup brushes like Aubrey has. I got those for Christmas for them. And these, of course, are the sweaters that I had in my Walmart video that are very affordable. I got the girls some. I didn't show them on my video for the girls' age, but they do have them in their size as well. This is her, well, part of her Shopkins collection. She has a ton of Shopkins. She's got, so I don't know what's in that, but yeah, that's her little dresser with her little hat up there. And there's her book bag. I got her book bag this year from Justice. And then we haven't even taken the safety things off of this right here, but you know, it is what it is. There's JoJo Siwa, her favorite. That's a puzzle she did. She's actually going to be JoJo Siwa for Halloween this year. This is her little box that she keeps her bows in. I actually got this box at TJ Maxx. She has a walkie-talkie right there, a little nightlight, and down here she has another jewelry box. Looks like she stuffed some kind of blanket under the bed, and she also has more Shopkins right here. And then, of course, her bed. We actually got her bedroom furniture from Badcock as well. And then her bedroom comforter and sheets are from Target, just like Aubrey's. This is her Build-A-Bear, and she just has some colorful pillows, sequin pillow like Aubrey. She also has a robe because she thinks she's cool with her robe. And then over here, she just keeps like books and like toys and stuff like that. They don't have a toy box, so that's what she does with hers. And Aubrey has one just like this in her closet. Remember, she just keeps clothes in it. She doesn't have as much toys as Ansley. Here's Ansley's JoJo Siwa doll. Like I said, she is obsessed. And then there's all the clothes that go with it. So over here, we just have this fan, and this is something they can use to color in the bed. We don't let them eat in their bedroom, so wishful thinking on that. Whenever I bought them, they're like, oh, so we can eat in our rooms? I was like, no. And then here is my Super Nintendo, the original. Yes, it still works. So we do play that from time to time. And then she has a bunch of stuffed animals over here in this corner. And then she has the desk, just like Aubrey does in her room. And I actually got these white desks from Target. It's the same exact desk that I have in my office. We all three have the same one. So on her desk, she's got her Alexa right here. Aubrey has an Alexa too, but I don't know where it was. I did not see it in her room. She's got this light that has an A, some sketch markers, another unicorn light. There's her Chromebook I was telling you guys about, and this is just one of my old phones that she uses on Wi-Fi sometimes. And then her computer chair, I believe that I ordered this computer chair from Amazon. She got it for Christmas along with the desk. And then, of course, I don't know if you guys remember last year, if you have little girls, but this was like the hot toy last year for Christmas. And I had alerts on my phone for when it came in stock. And I was super fast and I ended up getting it. But I got lucky on that. Then she's got a fishing rod she got for her birthday. Still hasn't opened because, you know, I don't go outdoors a lot. Her dad got her that. And then I also got her that pillow for Christmas as well. Just noticed over here, she just has this picture. I don't know if she drew that or Aubrey drew that, but I don't like the idea of having this tape on the wall, but okay, it is what it is. And then we also have this picture hanging over here, and it says, "And though she be but little, she is fierce," and that is nothing but the truth about Ansley. She is one fierce little girl. Moving on to her closet, she's got a little bit of stuff hanging, or should I say a lot on her closet. I'm really scared to go in this one. I'm not even gonna lie. Some dirty socks. Should have known. shoes. We had to get her this shoe thing because she had tons of shoes, but I realized Aubrey really needs one too once I went in there. Y'all can blame this one on me because she's only 6. But, yeah. She needs a lot new clothes for the winter. I really need to go through all those. She's got a lot of 5T in there that don't fit her anymore, so I need to do that soon. So, yeah, here is an overview of Ansley's room. The walls in both of the girls' rooms are pretty bare, and that's because we haven't lived here very long. But I am going to be doing an updated house tour soon, and it will have both the girls' rooms in it, and hopefully some more decor on the walls for them as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake.